This is a review of the invisible selfie stick that goes to 118 inches long that we are going to be doing a unboxing review and test on, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we are going to test this out. And in this unboxing review, we're going to show you guys what you get, and from there we are going to show you guys this invisible selfie stick in more in depth. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get. Okay, so this is everything you get inside, and here's the 118-inch long invisible selfie stick, and it looks absolutely high quality. I love the grip that it has, really high quality, and it has that grip to pretty much record everything. Right over here, it comes with a bag as well too, a huge plus for them for sending a bag as well too. So whenever you're not using it, you put it back inside this bag. Right over here, it comes with a high quality, it's like a steel quality, a stand to, if you're trying to do like content creating, vlogging, recording yourself, you just underneath over here, you just, plug it in right over here, and then you can record yourself while you're doing any vlogs or content creating. Right over here, it comes with a pouch as well too. So whenever you're not using the remote control, which you could control your invisible selfie stick using this remote control. So if you turn this on, it's going to record everything. Then when you want to, you could pause it and play like that at the hands of your own right over here. And then right over here, you get your iPhone. So as I told you guys before, this works for your Insta360 X5, X4, X3, and so on. And then your DJI OSMO as well too, and also your GoPro as well too. So I myself own a Insta360 X3 and also a iPhone as well. So we're going to put this onto a test, and I'm going to pretty much show you guys how you exactly use this. And from there, we are going to put this product to a test. So right over here, if you're trying to record yourself doing content creating, it comes with a triple stand where you can record yourself. So all you have to do is just rotate it counterclockwise, and from there it should lock in. And then I'm going to do that and then show you guys for the iPhone and for the Insta360 stuff. Okay, so if I'm going to use my Insta360 X3, then you do not have to use this right over here. This is for your iPhone. So if you're trying to record on your iPhone, you use this. And all you have to do is, if you look underneath here, plug it in like that and just rotate it counterclockwise. Now I'm going to put that to a side right there. Show you guys the Insta360 X3. So for this slot right there, then all you have to do is just plug it in just like that and then rotate it from there. And then you should be able to record your Insta360 X3 or X5 or whichever Insta360 you have. And also for your DJ Osmo as well too, and your GoPro. The stands are also really high quality, a steel quality, so you don't have to worry about it moving anywhere or falling down. You can see as I'm shaking it, it's not going anywhere. Okay, so before I show you guys my iPhone onto a test, I do want to show you guys my Insta360 X3. You can see I have it hooked up onto here, and then right over here is the stand. So this is the actual height. So if you have it up to the lowest setting, it stands up to this much tall. So if you're recording a content, vlog, or you're doing some traveling vlog, this is how tall it actually stands. But what I'm about to show you guys is at the full effect at 118 inches. So without going further, let's show you guys that. Okay, so we got the stands hooked up, and then we got it on my iPhone 15 Pro Max as well too. So we're using the iPhone stand, which you could also use the Insta360, but for now, I'm testing this on my iPhone. And so far, I have my iPhone hooked up, and this is 118 inches, and you're going to see right over here how tall this thing is. And you can see how tall my ceiling is all the way up there, and it's reaching quite close to there. 118 inches is really tall, and this is really a game changer to have for content creation. If you are a big fan of creating content and you are wanting to change the experience of creating content, this right over here, this invisible selfie stick stand is really a big game changer to have if you're very serious on creating content. Right over here, the stands are also very high quality. You can see right over here, a stainless steel quality. It's not going to move anywhere. Right over here, what I also love about this product is that the grip right over here is really durable and it feels very firm, which is something I love when it comes to a invisible selfie stick. You want to make sure that it's durable and firm, and it has all that stuff right over here. In quality terms, the selfie stick as well is also high quality as well too. It just feels very nice when you hold it right over here. This right over here are the locks, so you can adjust this, so you can make it go all the way down, all the way up using these locks right over here. So all you have to do is just lock it in like that. Then this one right over here, and that lock it up to there, and then all the way up there, you just lock in there. You have it. My iPhone 15 Pro Max is up there. You can use any iPhone to pretty much record, but yeah, this right over here is a big game changer to have for creating content. I'm super amazed about this product and would definitely recommend this invisible selfie stick that goes up to 118 inches long. If you are serious about creating content and are wanting a game changer experience to have when it comes to creating vlogs, or using your Insta360 or your DJ Osmo as well too, or your GoPro as well too, then this right over here, this product is definitely a game changer to have. And this is a invisible selfie stick that you can see right over here. So if you're recording in your Insta360 X5, X4, X3, or X2, it's not going to show the stick. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this if you are going to, wanting to change the experience of creating content. This right over here is definitely one of the best products to get.